We give people the tools to track what we inspected and then update their problems and their repairs online so they have a permanent record of it. And they can do that not just with ViewPoint, but with ViewPoint on demand from a smartphone. You can walk up to any asset we've inspected, take a picture of the QR code and see the inside of the asset without opening it up. There's not only a safety issue there, but imagine not having to go back to your desk and say, well, where's that report and what did it look like last time? So ViewPoint and ViewPoint demand really put us on a completely different level in being able to deliver a single source where a client can see everything we've done for them and all of the predictive maintenance technologies, electrical safety technologies, whether it's arc flash, lockout, tagout, and see everything that we've done for them and see it from either a desktop or see it from their smartphone, and then take that in the workplace and make sure the assets we inspected now get the repairs that they needed. And that's what this is all about. It's not just inspections, it's doing the repairs. And ViewPoint makes that happen.